Hi, my name is Alex Colucci with GusandShow.com. I want to talk to you about the waiting periods for an FHA loan for bankruptcy and foreclosure. So let's start with the bankruptcy. If you do a Chapter 7 and you're discharged, you have to be discharged for 2 years. So 2 years from the discharge date, you can't start the loan application, can't do anything. You can't have a purchase contract executed. That day, 2 years, we can start it. If you do a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, we can start your loan process 1 year into your bankruptcy. It doesn't have to be discharged. We can do a manual underwrite. Now, if you want a regular FHA loan without all the manual underwrite, nuances, you have to wait for 2 years for that to be discharged. So from 1 year in up until 2 years discharge, you're a manual underwrite with a Chapter 13, and after 2 years, you're a regular FHA loan. So keep that in mind. Now, for foreclosures, it's 3 years from the date that the property left your name. So what we have to do is pull up the records, find out when the title was transferred. It wasn't when the sheriff came and threw your furniture on the ground. It's not when you think it is. It's when the actual bank took the deed out of your name and put it back into their name. And that date is 3 years from that date. There's, unless you were in a plane crash or had horrible events in your life, absolutely horrible events, then there's no really way around that 3 year waiting period. And even these extenuating circumstances loans, they're really hard to get through. So if you even had a tough story, it may not even still work. So give me a call if you got that situation, but give me a call if you like the Chapter 13 1 year in, up to 2 years discharge. We're still doing those loans right now during COVID. Give me a call. I specialize in them. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.